Okay. Y'all already know. Okay, we already know the drill. Okay, we're just gonna get right into it, because ain't nobody got time for funny business. Okay, so this is Darren Skymarks. Airplane model. Okay, Southwest Airlines. It's in Texas, because we in the Lone Star State. We already breaking it. I got this from the airplane shop in Las Vegas. So, yeah. And I went in there like right as they were closing. Not on purpose. I didn't even know they closed. They closed at like 5. I didn't even know that. This is the Lone Star one. So, okay. So they give you the body with the tail. I feel like they never used to give you the tail like on the plane. I thought you just got like, maybe, okay, I don't know what I'm talking about. Okay, it don't even matter. Okay. We got wings. Let's go ahead and put them on. Okay, see, that's what we're not gonna do. You know, that's not gonna work either. That's not gonna work either. Okay, sorry, everything's like wrapped in plastic, so I gotta wrap more stuff in plastic. Why not? Why not? Why not? Okay, now we assemble. Okay. First, what is that? We're gonna put these little ones on. Okay. That's the wrong way, because I'm just dumb. Okay, now it's the right way. Now, I'm gonna put the engines on, like they have the things on the wings. And now we're gonna put the wings on. I wasn't gonna get Lone Star because, okay. They didn't have Colorado. They don't have California. They don't have any other one that I would want. Okay, they just had Lone Star and the Amua one, and the Amua one and the Lone Star one are like, they're like, it's like everybody likes those, so like I can't just get it. Like, I want to get the other ones. I guess everybody likes Colorado too. It's tight. Okay, that's good because it won't fall off. Okay. All right, it's assembled. The scale is 1 to 130. I have an unknown measurement unit. Okay, here it is. Let me go get the rest of the family. All right, we got one whole college tuition's worth of airplanes. on this desk. They dusty. Nasty. Okay. So yeah, you already see this one. This is the OG, well, the second OG, because it was really brown, but this is what they used to look like then. For some reason they didn't have the heart one at the airplane shop, so I couldn't get that one, so I was forced to get this one. So yeah, now we have Allegiant. This was $30. This was, I don't even know how much this was. It's already falling apart. Why is this one smaller? Oh my gosh, it's tiny. What is this? Okay, that's because it's a 737-700. Okay, this one is a Max 8. Okay, look at them. I could have known this because I literally tracked them. I tracked their flight patterns to see if they're near me. Not that I would ever have the time to go and watch them. Okay, this one, I just have to drive down the street because this is all that ever comes to Dallas. These stupid American Airlines. I only have this one because, or actually no, I did want this one because it was a Boeing 777. And do I want to be a pilot? No. Okay, I just like airplanes. Okay, that's not an issue. And I'm not even gonna say that. Okay, because the last time we did this with this bastard. Okay, this one is not Darren. This was very expensive, and they don't make this anymore. And it's made of pure metal. I don't even know who made this. I still have the box. I kept it like an Apple box. Because I did. Okay, that's why. It has wheels too, like, and it can come off and it can like drive, like the wheels move. It's insane. Okay. So yeah, we got Cinco airplanes on stands. Everything else is the little baby ones that are like toys, because I'm broke. I'm broke. Okay, but anyways. Oh, you know what else I want? I want the Arizona one. Colorado. I want all of them. I want all of them. Okay, I want all of them. Except Maryland. Except Maryland, and I don't know, I'll have to see. I already forgot. I've been voting. They have on the Southwest Airlines Instagram, they have like a voting to see. Let's see. I'm stupid. Just dumb. Just absolutely stupid. Oh, it's here. See, this is today. Okay, it's okay, EMUA one or California one. They're gonna put the ones that I don't want to vote on, right? In the same thing. Okay. So they're bastards, is what I can tell. Okay. EMUA one or California one. I'm gonna have to say EMUA one because the California one is like okay, Like, and then the Arizona one or the Colorado one. I'm going to have to say Arizona. And it looks like everybody is not dumb. And they did indeed, majority says Arizona. Now these old people on my Instagram getting into fights now. Okay, well, all right. We're going to be on the lookout for the Arizona one. I don't have anywhere to put this. I literally have nowhere to put it. Okay. Oh, I do. No, there's one that we missed. Okay, they did have this one, and I do have this one, and I forgot about it because I'm just dumb. I'm just dumb. Okay. So, yeah. So, okay, like, there's nothing else that needs to be said. We have it. Whoop-de-doo. Okay, we don't, like, where am I going to put this? It can go in between the Texas and the Wyoming flags. Okay, there it is. That's its home. Am I bleeding? I literally cut myself with this damn plane. I'm just stupid. Okay, anyways. Whenever I get a house, there's going to be a whole room for just planes. I wish I wasn't such an irresponsible child with my airplanes because I could have saved this. Let me just show you. Look at this. It's missing. This is what Sun Country used to look like. Yeah, they look ugly. And I'm just dumb. Oh, and did they vote? Did they vote on Nevada? Because I want a Nevada plane. And they don't sell the Nevada plane like they do everywhere else. Okay, I'm going to have to buy it somewhere. Whatever. Okay, whatever. I don't even know how I had these organized. I should have never took these off of their resting places. Everything just falling apart because I'm just stupid. Just fat. Okay, I got this dumb Lego helicopter. Okay, and then lastly, this little bitty plane is just gonna have to go right there. Okay, all right. Everybody got a place. Okay, it don't matter. Okay, it don't even matter. Okay, just all right. That's all I have.